Hey guys, if this quality seems really bad, it's because it's on my iPhone. I just want to say hi, hello. I know I've been gone for a while. A couple of you guys actually reach out to me personally and be like, where the hell are you, Nisa? Really appreciate that. So right now I'm back in America and I started my spring semester. I just got back from grocery store. Pretty awesome. I love going grocery shopping. I promise next time I'm probably gonna take you guys out for a grocery trip with me. So yeah, I'm gonna wait till my friend Donnell picked me up to go for dinner. And what else was I going to tell you? Yeah. So if you guys want an update why I've been gone for a little while, just let me know down below. I know a lot of people want to see me vlog again, so here it is. Also, have I vlogged you my new hair? I don't think I have, but ta-da! If you don't follow me on Instagram, which you should, it's at Nisa Fareeha. I dyed my hair, but it's not done yet. I'm gonna go back to the hairdresser, Mason, who is amazing. I'll leave his profile down below as well. I'm gonna come back to him and I want my hair to look like Kim Kardashian's hair. My roommate's not here, I think she's working. She made me casseroles. If you guys don't know, if you guys are from Malaysia and you're not familiar with casseroles, I think they're just like a white version of nasi goreng but without rice. They basically put everything in one thing and just bake it, where else we just put everything with rice and fry it. I'm starving and the food's finally here. So Susie is out with some trash hoe and she suggested me to film my food baby. Do you see that bump? I think I'm like 3 months pregnant of my food baby. What should I call her, Daniel? Hey Daniel.
Yo.
Where are you? Hi. Wait. Hello. That's like telur masin cita rompak. That's how I feel.
Ni asparagus. Asparagus sauce.
Kau kelakar ke? Kelakar? For my Malaysian viewers, we are now at Walmart. That's Walmart 360. I look like an idiot, but it's fine. No, we never have Milo here.
They have.
No.
They do.
They have it at the Asian store.
No, they have it here. I never tried Nesquik.
Nesquik's the best. I prefer Nesquik than Milo actually. Daniel is single, everybody.
I know, so sad.
No, I mean like I'm promoting you. I'm exploiting you as a friend. He's pretty good. He can cook. And he can drive too, so that's
So
a plus.
technically I'm like a houseman.
He's like a stay-at-home dad, but without any kids.
I wish I could have one too.
You want kids?
Then I buy them a car. No, I buy my wife a car.
Oh no, we're gonna go through this. He has his old freaking planned out.
Yeah. My wife is my queen.
Okay, okay. Goodbye.